Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are talking about something that you might go, we are talking those if and then sentences, also known as conditional sentences. Don't worry though, I am here to make it super easy for you. In this video we are unlocking the secrets of zero, first and second condition. So ready? So you ever wonder, wait, is it will or would? Should I say if or when? Trust me, we all been here. These sentences types can make a bit confusing, and mixing up might mess up your message. But no stress, we got fix for you. The solution is easy peasy. Once you understand these conditional types and how they work, you're good to go. Today I will break down the sentences zero, first and second condition. By the end of this video you will know how to use them and which word to use. You sound like a grammar pro in no time. Also I will give you a quiz and test your knowledge. Zero condition. When we talk about things that are always true, we use the zero condition. If something happen, something else happen because they are connected. It construct using present tense verb in both if clause and the main clause. Formula and structure are if plus simple present simple or simple present. Like, if you heat water, it always boils. It is like a rule that never change. Certainly there are more zero conditional examples. If you mix blue and yellow, you get green. This shows the general truth about mixing colors, where blue and yellow always combine to create green. And next example, if the temperature drops below freezing, water turns into ice. This trait is a scientific fact that when temperature go below freezing point, water always turn and change into ice. If first condition. First condition, we use the first condition when we talk about things that could really happen in the future. If one thing happen, another thing is likely to happen because of it. It constructs using present tense verb if and future tense, often will or another modal verb in the main clause structure. If present simple, will plus base form of verb. For example, if it rain tomorrow, we might decide to stay home because we don't want to get wet. And the second is, if she studies hard, she will pass the exam. This example discuss the possibility of passing an exam based on the condition of studying hard. If you finish your homework early, you can go to the movies with us. Here is the condition of completing work early lead to the possibility of joining others for a movie. If I see him at the party, I will introduce myself. This sentence describes a potential encounter at a party and the speaker intention to introduce themselves if it happen. Now let's move into second condition. The second condition is for things that are more likely to dream or unlikely events. If something happened that probably won't happen, we imagine what could come next. It constructs using the past simple tense if clause and the conditional, often with the would or another modal verb in the main clause. Or structure of second condition is if plus past simple, would plus base form of verb. Like, if I won the lottery, I would travel the world. But winning a lottery is not very likely. So the condition help us talk about things that are true, things that could happen, and things that are just in our imagination. Now I will give you quiz to test your knowledge. So question number 1 is, what type of situation does the zero conditional typically describe? Imaginary scenarios, certain facts and general truths, hypothetical event and unlikely outcomes, past actions with specific time reference. Question number 2. Choose the correct zero conditional sentence from the following option. If I won the lottery, I would buy a mansion. If you heat ice, it melts. If she was studying, she would pass the exam. If I will see him, I am going to say hello. There you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more language learning content. See you in next video.